shit. What the fuck, nigga? Okay. Oh. Armin versus Giorgio in that bit. Well, nigga hit push-ups on that fuck nigga. He said, nigga, you light work. Yeah. He still hitting him. Oh, yo, what's up? So nigga, I hit push-ups too. No shit, nigga, I'm asking what's up. Fuck nigga. You know shit. Your whole block pussy, nigga. My block. What's up? Get in there. What's up? Yo, fuck nigga. Your block? Nigga. And I hit push-ups on the fuck out. Nigga, oh yeah? Say that now. What you about, nigga? Run up. Still hitting these hoes. Ain't shit. Nigga, still pressing these hoes. You ain't shit, nigga, you pot. Oh yeah, nigga, you pot. Okay. This nigga hitting on hoes. Okay, what's up there? Oh, yo, you need to tie that nigga back. Oh, yo, nigga tied him right back. Nigga still hitting push-ups on that nigga. Where? Ain't shit, nigga still pushing on hold. What's up then, nigga? Bam! Oh, and he missed, nigga. Nigga dodged him. Nigga, he hitting push-ups in the dirt, though. What's up, nigga?